Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got a really cool knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the One Track Mind Zorn, and this knife is one that is on loan to me from Fred the Lug. Really appreciate him allowing me to take a look at this knife, do the disassembly and cleaning of it, and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see here. That's a T8 on the pivot. And that is spinning. Alright, I'm able to hold it with my finger. And it appears to be coming out. I think we've had some. I think what's happened here is that, yep, it's come loose from the other side. We'll get that out in here in just a second. Let's go ahead and T8 on the body screw. I like to see that. And we'll set this off to the side. We'll go ahead and so that backed out just a little bit, and then it came loose from the other side. All right, there must be a, okay, we have to take out one of these pocket screws, and then everything should come apart like so. Drop that in the alcohol bath there. There's that pivot we were talking about. And I'll get that back in there. What I want to try to do, and I may have to grab my smooth jaw pliers, in fact, we're going to do that. Let me pause for just a second. All right. So if you don't have a pair, if you work on knives and you don't have a pair of these similar to this, these are Nipix 8603 150. But they're smooth jaw, so they don't damage, and they'll allow you to grip something like this and turn it without damaging. So now I've got it apart properly. Got the pivot screw there. So now we can look at the insides of this. Just some nice milling here on the internals of this. Same for this. So we'll go ahead and grab some alcohol swabs and go ahead and wipe everything down. And then I'll come back and get it a little bit better with a cotton tip applicator in some of these areas that's a little bit hard for the regular alcohol swab to reach. And the rest of it's just wiping this stuff down, getting what I can get out, see if there's any gunk or dust or dirt if this has been carried, and it doesn't look like it has. Making sure I'm getting that lock face right there. And then I also want to make sure, don't think I mentioned this, but I want to make sure that I get the lock face there as well. All right, then I'm going to grab a fresh alcohol swab and clean off these bearings. I like having a fresh one for that, in case there was anything metallic, any metal bits that I may have wiped off of the any of the other parts of the knife that I was cleaning. And now we're going to take and grip this and take that T8, just back that out, clean those threads up, and we'll set that off to the side. We're going to do the same thing for this. A little bit more difficult since it's not got a Torx, and it's just that there. But we will, and then we'll clean this up. And I want to go ahead and tighten this. Well, let me put a tad of Loctite on it, not much. And then we'll run that up and tighten it if we can. Okay. I was able to do that by hand, so that's good. And let's go ahead and grab a cotton tip applicator and do as I mentioned before about cleaning out these areas. I like doing the pivot hole in the blade, just cleaning those areas out where the bearings will go. And then I'll do the same thing for this side, and then clean where the pivot screws and the pivot will go. Same thing on this side. And you'll see that there's a square cut out there in that side that will match up to this square cut out there. And I believe I dropped a stop pin. I'll wipe that off and set that back in place. Okay. All right, so we are going to make sure I get this turned right. So this One Track Mind logo should be facing come on now. It's in a bind there. Okay. There we go. I want it to be facing like that. All right, so I got that, and we want to put that back in place. Put a bearing on. Put a little bit of Gunny Glide. This is my preference of knife lube. And we'll get the blade on, and then the other bearing. A little bit on each side up against the pivots. Allows a little bit of oil to run down between the pivot and the blade. And a little dab there on the detent ball. That should allow us to get everything back in place. I'm going to grab this pivot screw and get a little bit of Loctite stick in those threads. We'll tighten this up. We'll tighten it up just enough to go ahead and get these screws in, and then we'll check and see what we need to do for the tuning this up so that it opens and closes properly. All right, see where we're at. Centered. No play, but I want to back off just a tad. There's no reason to crank down on most knives on the pivot. And if you can back off and it just might have even better action. And I think this is pretty good. All right, so there you have it. That's the One Track Mind Zorn. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and you've enjoyed the content. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and hope to see y'all again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Really appreciate you watching.